Hello and welcome to this beginner's tutorial on blockchain technology in Java. In this video, we will cover 1. Introduction to blockchain technology. 2. What is Java? 3. Importance of Java in blockchain development. 4. Java libraries for blockchain development. 5. Demo application. To start, let's first understand what blockchain is and how it works. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger of transactions that is secure, transparent, and immutable. It works on the principle of cryptography, where each transaction is cryptographically hashed and added to a chain of blocks. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Now let's move on to Java. Java is a powerful, versatile programming language that is widely used in web and app development. It is platform independent, meaning it can be run on any operating system. Java is also increasingly being used in blockchain development due to its security features, robustness, and scalability. There are several Java libraries available for blockchain development, including Bitcoin, Web3, and Corda. In this demo application, we will be using Web3 to interact with Ethereum blockchain. Let's get started. First, we need to set up our development environment. I will be using Intelli IDEA and JDK8. You can download and install them from their respective websites. Next, we will create a new Maven project and include the necessary dependencies for Web3. Here's the code snippet. Once we have set up our project, we can start interacting with the Ethereum blockchain using Web3's APIs. We can do several things such as checking account balances, sending transactions, and deploying smart contracts. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and happy coding.